Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to go deep into how to meditate properly and, more importantly, how to enter the Theta brainwave state, which is where real transformation happens. Whether you're just starting or you've tried meditating before and didn't feel much, this is going to clear things up and help you make it actually work. Let's dive in. First off, meditation isn't about sitting cross-legged and trying not to think. That's one of the biggest misconceptions. Meditation is about becoming aware of your thoughts, your breath, your body, and your internal world. It's not about stopping thoughts. It's about learning how not to follow them. Think of your mind like a sky. Thoughts are just clouds. Meditation teaches you to watch them drift by without getting pulled into the storm. That's the real power. Not silence, but presence. To meditate deeply, your environment matters. Here's how to set yourself up. Pick a quiet space. This can be a corner of your room, a park, your car, anywhere you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights or use natural lighting. Lower light helps your brain shift into a slower wave state. Sit upright. You don't need to sit like a monk. Use a chair if needed. The key is spine straight but relaxed. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Hands relaxed. Palms up if you want to feel open and receptive. Palms down if you want to feel grounded. Set your intention. Before you even start, say in your mind, I am here to reconnect. I am here to go deeper. This anchors your awareness. Breath is the remote control to your nervous system. To calm the mind, we start with breathing, slow, deep, and rhythmic. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds through your nose. Hold for 4 seconds. Then exhale for 6 to 8 seconds through your mouth. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and recover mode. Why does this matter? Because when your body relaxes, your brainwaves begin to slow down. You go from high alert beta into more relaxed alpha, and eventually into theta. This is the bridge. Don't skip it. Breathe with intention for at least 3 to 5 minutes before anything else. Let's talk about what theta actually is. Your brain runs on electrical patterns called brainwaves, measured in hertz. Here's a quick breakdown. Beta, 13 to 30 hertz. Normal waking state, alert, thinking, logical. Alpha, 8 to 12 hertz. Light relaxation, daydreaming, calm, focus. Theta, 4 to 8 hertz. Deep meditation, creativity, subconscious reprogramming. Delta, 0.5 to 4 hertz. Deep sleep. Theta is that in-between space. You're not asleep, but not fully awake either. This is the state where your subconscious becomes accessible. Your body begins to repair itself. You're open to rewriting belief patterns. You may see visuals, symbols, memories, or even feel emotional releases. Children under 7 are in theta most of the time. That's why they absorb everything like a sponge. In meditation, you return to that openness, but with awareness. Here's a process you can follow. Step 1. Breathwork, as we covered. Spend at least 3 to 5 minutes doing slow, rhythmic breathing. Feel your body relax. Step 2. Progressive body relaxation. Bring your attention to your feet. Relax them. Then your legs. Then your hips. All the way up to your head. You're scanning your body, releasing tension. This sends a signal to the brain. It's safe to let go. Step 3. Add a mantra, optional but powerful. A mantra is just a word or phrase you repeat in your mind to anchor focus. Try. I am still. Let go. I trust. Repeat it mentally as you breathe. It helps keep your thoughts from hijacking your session. Step 4. Visualization, optional for deeper work. Visualize yourself walking through a forest or sitting at the edge of a still lake. Anything that you find peaceful. Engage your senses. What does the air feel like? What do you hear? This tricks the brain into shifting into theta faster because it mimics dreamlike imagery. Step 5. Let yourself drift. This is important. Don't try too hard. You're not doing meditation. You're allowing it. When your body feels heavy and your mind feels floaty, you're getting close. You might hear distant sounds, see flashes of light or imagery, that's all normal. Just breathe, let go, stay aware. You can speed up the process with some helpful tools. Binaural beats, audio tracks that play slightly different frequencies in each ear, helping your brain sync to theta. Look for tracks in the 4 to 8 Hz range. Wear headphones if you prefer. Guided theta meditations. These use voice plus music to walk you into theta step by step. Meditate right after waking or before sleep. These are times when your brain is naturally in theta. Over time, you won't need any tools. You'll train your body to go there on command. But in the beginning, they help a lot. How do you know if it's working, and what are the signs that you're in theta? You feel like time doesn't exist. Your body feels either very heavy or very light. You stop noticing your breath. It just flows. You get emotional without reason. That's healing happening. You feel peaceful, neutral, or floaty. You may get intuitive downloads or random flashes of insight. You won't always know in the moment. But when you open your eyes and feel clearer, lighter, or recentered, you've touched it. Once you've entered theta, this is where miracles in your mind occur. And this is where you can significantly reprogram your subconscious mind. If you want to become a professional athlete, or if you want to become an entrepreneur, then you need to keep repeating the same cohesive thoughts in your mind. Anything that you desire in your heart. Because when you align these thoughts in meditation, you are weaving in your own conscious reality into the very fabrics of the universe. It's as if doors that were previously closed before are all of a sudden opening up. You will start seeing opportunities in your life that will also help you align to the desired reality that you are trying to manifest. If you're just starting out meditating, then 10 minutes a day is perfect. If you're aiming to rewire the mind or go deep into theta, 20 to 30 minutes is ideal. Best times, right after waking up or before sleep. Your brain is already closer to theta. Consistency is what matters. You're not trying to win meditation. You're building a deeper relationship with your own mind. Meditation is how you train your inner warrior, quietly, patiently, and powerfully. And if you're ready to take this practice even deeper, to not only access theta, but awaken your inner discipline, sharpen your focus, and align with your higher self, check out our book, Mental Mastery, Awaken the Warrior Within. It's your blueprint to build mental strength, inner peace, and spiritual power through practical steps and real inner work. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future videos for enlightenment. Stay present, stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next one.